Kinshasa residents are struggling to come to terms with the recent death of their friends and relatives. 26 people were electrocuted by a power cable that fell into a ditch filled with water on Wednesday. Cecile Nzumba is one of the survivors.
I heard a very loud sound when I was selling vegetables here. I was with some kids who usually help me, and they asked me what that sound was. I told them it was from the electric cables. Shortly after, we saw some of my colleagues running towards us, shouting that 4 people had already died.
The accident occurred after a heavy downpour. This is Matadi Kibala Market, where the high-voltage cable fell and killed 26 people in Kinshasa on Wednesday. Most of the victims were women who have left their families mourning. This family is grieving Sandra Mapendo. She was 30 years old and has left 4 little children.
I got married to her a few years ago. It's very sad to be separated from her. She left home in the morning to go to work, and then I got a call that she had died. It's very unfortunate.
I've really lost a precious child. She used to bring me so much joy. She always supported me financially whenever I was in need.
The DRC government has promised to foot the burial costs for all the victims and build a better market for the survivors.
I would like to express the government's condolences to all the families of the accident victims on behalf of the President. We've got instructions to build a better market for the survivors in a safe area.
Kinshasa is a city of about 15 million people, with many informal settlements built near high-voltage electricity lines. Disasters are common, especially during the rainy season, but they have left families of the accident victims in agony because their loved ones are no more.